Hi everyone, I'm excited to do this unboxing review for Grace and Stella energizing eye mask that I got off Amazon. So I got this because it had really good reviews, and so I wanted to just check this out myself. Here is the box. So as you open it, it has this really cute quote that says, "Little feel-good moments domino into big feel-good moments," and we're here for that. Love, G&S. I think that's just so cool that they left like a little note printed in the box here. And then in this box, it's got this, I think this is like a little user manual, which is like super cute already, but it's little. It's got different languages in here. It's got the directions. There's just the 3 steps on here, and then they also have a picture image. Obviously you just put it under each eye. Okay, so it does say that it comes in 24 pairs. So this is a very nice sturdy box. I forgot that this had 24 pairs, but gosh, this is definitely like worth your money for it. So here it is. Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. Can't wait to try this out. And then to try it, you're gonna have to just take this off. And yeah, so this is my unboxing review. I hope that that was helpful.